We got 0910 Classics. We're going bottom first. Jack Sigma Legend. Chris Paul, Dwayne Wade duel. Oh shit. Damaged. John Havlicek, greats. Legend of Ed McCauley. BJ Armstrong legend. Michael Cage, Blast from the Past patch. That's pretty nice. Numbered 1 of 30. The fuck? They're all damaged. We got a blue Jerry West. Numbered 16 out of 25. And an auto Jordan Hill out of 469. Ooh, Jordan Hill. God, these are all. Got LeBron James out of 100. eBay 101 right there. Anal. Dress code of Thaddeus Young. Clyde Drexler legend. Another fucking Jermaine Taylor. That's a huge signature though. Duel of Stockton Malone. I don't know, but every pack, the last two cards are damaged. Look at this. Last two packs in every pack are damaged. LaMarcus Aldridge out of 100. That's terrible. You see that dent? You got Sean Marion, Derrick Rose, dinged corner. It's probably going to be a jersey card. I already pulled two autos. Jesus. Well, redemption, thank God. At least we know that card ain't damaged. Greats of the game. Magic Johnson. That's good though. It could be an auto, or it should be an auto. Kevin Garnett. Shaquille O'Neal out of 250. Damaged. Dave Cohen's Classics. Classic Greats. Last pack. Jerry West. And the redemption. Where's my checklist? Autographed rookies, number 174. James Johnson. #174, James Johnson. That is all.